Everyone in the town ignored the old shoemaker on the corner. But one freezing winter night, a small act of kindness changed everything. 20 years ago, in a quiet town covered in snow during winter, there lived an old shoemaker named Hassan. His small shop sat on the corner of a busy street. The shop was old, the wooden door creaked, and the sign above it had faded over time. Every morning Hassan opened the shop early and sat quietly repairing worn-out shoes. But most people walked past without noticing him. Some thought his shop looked too old. Others preferred the new stores in the city center. So day after day, Hassan worked silently, fixing shoes for the few customers who still came. But Hassan had a secret habit. Whenever he saw a child walking in the cold with broken shoes, he quietly repaired them for free. He never told anyone. He smiled and said, "Take care of your feet, my child. They carry you through life." One evening during a heavy snowstorm, a young boy named Adam ran into Hassan's shop. Adam's shoes were torn, and his feet were freezing. Hassan noticed immediately. Without asking for money, he carefully repaired the boy's shoes and wrapped them in warm cloth. Adam looked surprised. "Sir, how much do I owe you?" Hassan smiled gently. "Nothing, just remember to help someone else when you can." Adam thanked him and ran home through the snow. Years passed. The town grew bigger, and new businesses replaced many of the old ones. Hassan's small shop slowly became forgotten. But one morning something unusual happened. Several expensive cars stopped in front of his shop. People gathered on the street, curious about what was happening. From one of the cars stepped a well-dressed young man. He walked straight toward the old shoemaker. Hassan looked up from his work, a confused expression on his face. Then the young man smiled warmly. "Do you remember a boy whose shoes you repaired during a snowstorm?" Hassan thought for a moment, then nodded slowly. The young man continued, "That boy was me." The crowd watched silently. "I never forgot your kindness," the man said. "And today I own a company that makes shoes around the world." He handed Hassan a small box. Inside was a golden plaque that read, "Kindness walks further than wealth." The young man had also decided to restore Hassan's shop so it would never be forgotten. That day the entire town learned something important. A small act of kindness can travel farther than we ever imagine. Sometimes the good we do quietly returns to us when we least expect it. Thank you for watching this story. If you enjoy meaningful stories with powerful life lessons, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more emotional stories every week. And remember, kindness may seem small today, but its impact can last a lifetime.